Sprinkle, sprinkle. So Arabella just informed me today that next week is her fun run, which means that they do a 5-mile run and people bid on them to raise money for like medical awareness things, depending on what like awareness group you're supporting. So we're out here in kind of a chilly afternoon after school, taking a walk at the soccer park.
Mom, this is how I warm up my body. I
use this stroller and just now realize that there's a window.
That's how I just.
And what are you doing?
Taking big steps because Dad told me to.
Look at that mountain way back there. You've seen pictures out here, have you? I don't know if you guys follow my Instagram, you've probably seen some pictures that I've taken of those mountains already, but
I feel like
they're so beautiful. Huh?
Over there. By the gates. Guys, wait for me.
So now we're getting her pre-warmed up to get her ready for her little run. And so we get to all go exercise with her. If one person's doing it, everyone should be doing it. Go run.
Trip, you can catch yourself.
The way she runs. After him when he would run off. Guys, those are going to be big pretty trees soon. Kids are too fast for us. So yeah, I don't know. We just went and got Val the rest of her Halloween stuff. She wants to be a vampire this year. She doesn't want to be like, she wants to make her own costume, and so we had to kind of get creative this year, figuring out like what you can really do.
We're old and we're slow.
Yeah, guys, we're too old to keep up with you. How sad that may be. The revelation of we're getting old. We're just gonna try to be creative with our costume this year. She is officially the first kid who wants to make her own costume from scratch because we don't feel like the vampire costumes are all that unique. So we're gonna try to do a DIY vampire costume. Future runners of America. I think the best part about Halloween is when your kids get old enough to the point where they actually want to do their own DIY costumes. It's really fun to put that stuff together, and they get to be a little bit more unique. And we kind of looked around for a lot of vampire costumes, or we looked through a lot of vampire costumes, and we didn't really find what we were looking for. She's not interested in being like an evil vampire. She's more like, she wants to be a spunky vampire. Have you ever seen a spunky vampire? So, yeah, we're gonna try to figure out how we're gonna go about it, and maybe we'll do a DIY video on a spunky vampire costume. I can't wait to show you guys the costumes that we got for the kids. I don't know when I'm gonna do the unboxing of that, but I'm getting kind of excited about it. Alrighty guys, it's that time again. We're here in the end slate. Look at the view, though. Ain't it something? Hey, thanks for hanging out with us today. If you enjoyed it, give us a subscribe. Give us a thumbs up down below. And remember, live, love, and enjoy. You only get one shot. Make it count.